Hello, welcome to my new video, and in this video I will show you how to make distance calculator circuit using ultrasonic distance sensor and Arduino. Now this circuit can be used in projects where we need to calculate distance between two objects. Components of the circuit are one Arduino Uno R3 board, one ultrasonic distance sensor, 4 jumper wires and one Arduino Uno cable. To understand the circuit, let's first understand about ultrasonic distance sensor. Now, ultrasonic distance sensor is an electronic device which is used to measure the distance of an object using ultrasonic sound waves. Now, you can see an ultrasonic distance sensor in my hand. It has 4 terminals: VCC, trig, echo and GND. Now, it has 2 round shaped components. Now, these two are transmitter and receiver. Now, one round shape transmits ultrasonic sound waves, and when an object comes in front of it, it gets reflected and turns into electric signals which are received by the receiver. Now, this is how it measures the distance between the object. So, this is how ultrasonic sensor works. Now, let's make the circuit. So first we will connect VCC of ultrasonic distance sensor to 5 volt of Arduino. Then we will connect GND of ultrasonic distance sensor to GND of Arduino. Then we will connect trig of ultrasonic distance sensor to D6 terminal of Arduino. And at last we will connect echo of ultrasonic distance sensor to D7 terminal of Arduino. Now this is the overall circuit. Now let's look at the code of the circuit. So in the first part, hashtag include NewPing.h, we are including a library called NewPing. Now libraries are files which are written in C or C++ code languages which provide our Arduino program with an extra functionality like to read an encoder or to control devices like LED matrix. So to include an library, we need to first install it. Now you can see that the NewPing library is written in black. It means that the library is not installed. Once the library is installed, it will be in orange color. So to install the NewPing library, we need to go to Sketch, Include Library and Manage Libraries. Now the Library Manager dialog box will open. Now you can see that the library manager dialog box is open. Now there will be an area to search the library name. Now every library has a name, but to include it in the code, we need to put .h again after its name. So to include NewPing, we have put NewPing.h and then we have closed the bracket. Now the library manager dialog box is loading. Now here all the libraries which are in the Arduino code is being shown. It will also show the installed libraries which are already there in the Arduino board. Now I will search here NewPing. Now here we are using NewPing library because it will measure the pings or the distance between the object and the sensor, and it will give to us in the code. So you can see that the NewPing is displayed on the screen. Now here all the details about this library will be shown and its version will also be shown. Now here the version is 1.9.4. Now we will click on the install button and it will get installed. Now once the library is installed, it will show the version name and it is installed. So it is showing 1.9.4 installed. Now to change this version or to install a new version, we need to go into the install libraries and then we can change the version or install the new version. Now we can close the dialog box. Now you can see that the NewPing name is being highlighted in orange color. Now let's come to the second part. Now in the second part, we are telling to the code that we are connected trigger pin to D6 terminal, echo pin to D7 terminal and the maximum distance the ultrasonic distance sensor can read is 200 centimeter. Now, the maximum distance any sensor can read is 400 to 500 centimeter, but for our convenience, we are using 200 centimeter. Now, all this data, which is trigger pin, echo pin and maximum distance, we are putting into one variable called sonar. Now, to use this sonar, we need to use this NewPing library. Now comes the void setup. Now in the void setup, we are mentioning the boards which is 9600 boards which will run the serial monitor. Now comes the last part and the main part, void loop. Now first we are putting a delay of 50 microseconds to make the library work. Then we are serial printing ping dot dot means distance is equal to, then we will get the data from the distance sensor and print it in the serial monitor, which is sonar.ping underscore centimeter. It will print the distance in numbers, and then we are serial printing centimeter. So this is the overall code which is used to run the entire circuit. Now I will upload the code in the circuit. Now you can see that the code has been uploaded. Now I will open the serial monitor. Now you can see that the serial monitor is showing 0 centimeter because there is no object in front of the sensor. Now if I put my hand, the distance will change. Now my hand is near the sensor, so the distance is small. Now if I move my hand away from the sensor, the distance will become larger. Now if I keep my hand exact in front of the sensor, it will show 3 or 4 centimeter. So this is how the ultrasonic distance sensor works. I hope you have understood how ultrasonic distance sensor works. So if you are new to the channel, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.